Hi, I'm Big Jam, and in this video, I'm going to be trying out Bard AI. Bard AI is a large language model from Google AI trained on a massive data set of text and code. It can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. I'm going to start by asking Bard AI some simple questions. What is the capital of France? What is the square root of 16? Now I'm going to ask Bard AI to generate some creative content. Can you write me a poem about a flower? That was beautiful, Bard AI. Now I'm going to ask Bard AI to translate a sentence from English to Spanish. Can you translate "I love you" to Spanish? I'm really impressed with Bard AI. It's a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of tasks. I think it has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers. I'm excited to see what Bard AI can do in the future. This video was scripted 100% with Bard AI. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel.